I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming backups and preparing recovery media so you can restore without surprises. Make a Windows 10 USB recovery drive or use installer media. The tool lets you access advanced repair options. Once done, restart and enter BIOS/UEFI to set USB or DVD as first boot. This ensures the system boots into recovery instead of the damaged installation. Make sure to disconnect printers and external drives to prevent accidental formatting. You now work through advanced repair tools to fix boot and system file issues. First, try Startup Repair. It automates common boot fixes. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair protected files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. Once those complete, you can restore a previously created system image or choose Reset this PC and select Keep my files to reinstall Windows while preserving data. You finish by verifying the system boots cleanly and restoring functionality. Reinstall drivers and run Windows Update to ensure stability. That prevents crashes from outdated drivers. If you still cannot boot, run chkdsk/f on the system volume and check drive health with smart tools because hardware faults mimic corruption. If a restore fails, boot to safe mode or use the recovery drive to copy important files to external media. Then consider a clean install as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.